That's right, go in the water. They hate the water, the lions. Come on, go in the water.
Look at that.
Look at them on top of her. Oh, come on, come on, come on, you can do it. Just a little further. Yeah, that's it. Fight back. Yeah. Shut her off. They're not stopping. Another lion over there. Oh, look, you got it.
Oh, yeah.
Look.
No, don't come out.
Don't come
No,
out.
no.
No, that was a bad move. Come on. Can't freaking believe this.
Yes, because they know he's struggling to stand up. They're not going to give it up.
Oh my God.
Where are the other elephants?
I can't
God's
believe
sake.
it. He's got some stamina. Look at that. Look at that. Why does he keep coming back? I don't know. He's not smart.